I got a worm right here.
You good?
We gotta dig for it though. Here. Do I have something I can dig with? Alright, nice.
I'll fit on my hook.
Yeah, he is. Alright guys, we have been in this spot before. I'm gonna see if we can catch anything. I mean, the sign is the property, right? Surely. Oh God, they're everywhere. How? Big one, big one, big one, dude, big one. Aiden, I got one. Nice. Oh, it's a trout. Nice. What a nice one right there, guys. Kind of rough with him. Hey, he's all right. Dude, that was a huge one.
How'd you fish it?